Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove black bars on stretch resolution. For that, we have to open the display settings by right clicking on the mouse and then scroll down and find advanced display settings. Click on the advanced display settings. After that, there will be an option choose display. If we are using multiple display, the other display will be shown there, but as I'm using the display only one, so display one is showing. So select the display which you are gonna set up, then choose display adapt properties. From there you can see on the top there is option monitor, and select the maximum gigahertz HZ that is available. For me 60 hertz is available, so if there is 75, 100, select that one and press apply and OK. The screen might turn black for a few seconds, and when it will return, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video.